together. They're called a column. Back there, right in front of big light, there's one. There isn't too awful many of these, but relatively young caverns yet. But to break down, to tell you really how fast they grow, if you were to rise one drop of water off the end of a crystal, that stunts the growth of that crystal from 35 to 40 years. You could just run your fingers right through that because it's just like the rust on an old tin can that would be almost rusted completely through. If that was up on the surface, it wouldn't even last a day because the weather would tear it down. Then the blacks and the grays and the real dark colors are manganese dioxide. That's what they temper and harden steel with, like the shiny blue on a gun barrel. Enough out to bother with. And the white there, like the lignite in the caverns. You can tell it's the lignite by the translucent top there and the light on the tree you can see through. That is estimated at about 4,000 pounds. That is a hunk of calcite. The dirt and stuff is through it. That is the dirtiest crystal there is in the caverns. When the glaciers, or when the water was forced down, this is chiseled out. This is man-made because this leads around to this room we're going into. Otherwise, they have to go back through there and just look and use your imagination.
I noticed there's a lot of